So please do not write anything. Simply listen to the session. We are in the era of artificial intelligence. You listen. I'll go slowly. And I'll show you graphically everything. And non-IT people, technical words I need to use because you're entering into IT world. Without the technical knowledge, you cannot face interview, you cannot work in the real time. And you may feel like, okay, let me learn normally and then I will learn technical words. Impossible. For IT and others, don't worry. First 2 days, for today's class is mostly theoretical class and tomorrow class is practical class. You see the way I'm progressing in the practical, then you take a decision. But sir, I want to see how you take classes in the regular way. If you want to check my regular classes, go to YouTube playlist, my YouTube playlist or Institute playlist. There you will find a couple of videos and you can look into. But classes are very detailed classes. Don't worry for IT and others. Attention, instead of considering this one as a demo, consider like an important class. Don't write anything, just listen to it. Wonderful content I will give you in the next 1 hour. Theory, but wonderful content you will not find in other areas. So my objective for the classes, very detailed subject. So you can work happily in any kind of project in the real time. Entry-oriented guidance you will get. And PL300 examination. This is a Microsoft certification for Power BI. 70 to 80% subject I will cover. So this is my course objective. And today is the first demo. Introduction, 20 minutes. What we cover, what we provide. And then 1 hour, I will explain data to fabric hierarchy. Next, second demo. Second demo tomorrow, 9 to 10 a.m. And regular classes from Saturday. No more delay. Saturday. To verify the confirmations in the Saturday at 9 a.m. And second demo. First demo recap for 10 minutes and complete practical remaining 50 minutes to 1 hour. So this is what I plan for demo 1 and demo 2. Join for both the days. You will get really good content. With that content, you can establish your career very well. Please do not write anything. You cannot catch up. I'll provide the material. Whatever I'm explaining, I will share you in the documents. You can go through. Let me start the first demo agenda. Introduction, 20 minutes. So my name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. And I'm working lead consultant. And course duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily 1 hour is the class. Monday to Friday compulsory sessions. And monthly 2 Saturdays you have classes. Then we provide daily live class videos. Access for 1.5 years. 1.5 year access. Real-time projects and multiple case studies. So 2 I will provide. So these are sufficient to get maximum knowledge in Power BI. And very good theory and practical knowledge you will find. And materials also provided. Prerequisite, nothing required. Anybody can select. Sorry, anybody can learn. But if you have knowledge on SQL or Excel, add advantage. Qualification, any graduate. GUI or coding. And I'm talking about graduate, any graduate, BA, BCom, no matter. Now company is not bothering about qualification. Next, GUI or coding, fully support to graphical user interface operations and low code support. Low code. And my course cover from basics to advanced everything. In case you're looking for fast track or customized training, kindly call on this number. Or else talk to me, I will tell you what is the best way to finish my classes in fast track way. I cannot take the subject in 20 hours, 30 hours. Not possible. If you learn 20 hours, nothing you can do in the companies, except the basic reporting. If within 20 hours, 15 hours, you are able to finish the course, then everyone will come into IT only first. 15 hours is not a great deal. We're spending hours and hours in YouTube level. So everyone will learn 15 hours or 20 hours, they will enter into IT. When we speak, maybe easy, but when we work on it, tough. If you're expecting a good career and a good profile, compulsory a good learning is required, best learning is required. Even we love to complete in 20 hours. We get money. If we're able to complete in 20 hours, so 3 batches we can close in 60 hours. We get more money. Still, we're not compromising. The reason, we need to give good subject and students should learn properly and settle well. And next 2 months, I'm going to cover this part. Next 2 months, I'm going to cover this part. This is regarding jobs and real-time environment. And this is regarding subject. And Power BI available in the market as a cloud component. Power BI available in the market as a on-premises component. Both I will cover. Cloud and on-premises. And 99% institutions, they don't touch this on-premises, but I will cover. Important. And along with that, Power Apps and Power Automate, understanding for 4 hours. So subject level, cloud components, on-premises components, and Power Apps, Power Automate for 4 hours. Now come to tools, components suitable for real time. You are entering into warehousing area. So warehousing fundamentals I will provide you. Data modeling fundamentals I will provide you. Agile methodology explain you. GitHub versioning also I will explain you. 2 near real-time projects I will explain with multiple case studies. But can we ask a question? No, I will give you time, sir. Let me finish it up. And SQL part 3 to 4 hours I will cover to give you understanding how do we bring data from the database into Power BI. And this is not sufficient for interview and working. What I recommend you is learn complete course of SQL and prioritize 9 topics. How many topics? 9. The list of 9 topics I will provide you. That is sufficient. And MSBA tabular cubes I will take for 2 hours. And job trials, your resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews, is all conducted sessions. Sir, just almost all institutions say like this. You also the same, or will you really cover this? Our institute is very systematic process institute. Ask anyone. The training, the pattern, the process, everything very systematic. I'll show you also. This is fine. So environment related and subject related. Offline, online people related to this content, ask your questions. In case you want to discuss about your personal profile, I already provided my number in the chat room. Kindly call me on that number. Yes, sir. Ask your question.
What is environment concepts? What are those? What do we do in that environment concepts and project? I'm not aware of this.
No, you're entering into IT level, right? IT and into business intelligence projects. So how the business intelligence environment looks like, what we use, how do we implement that environment knowledge. That is called real-time knowledge. Anything else? Thank you. Right. What exactly institute provides? Theory, practical material will provide you. No need to read any other materials. With my experience, I added some content to Microsoft manuals. That material I will give you. Live class videos I will provide you daily. 1.5 year access will be given. A resume preparation session mandatory level conduct. WhatsApp group created for our discussions, questions, job opportunities, and complete practical oriented training. And you will be having interaction with me in the class and after the class. And there are students for the last 7 years, 8 years, they'll get in touch with me. And FAQ is also discussed. And coming to opportunities. Less than 5 years you can keep in Power BI after finishing this course. More than 5, not possible. Because modeling knowledge, architecting knowledge, I'm not providing in the training. Modeling, architecting knowledge, I'm not providing. It's not possible. This is not possible. I will provide you partial architecting modeling knowledge. So that is good for this. So less than 5 years in Power BI you can keep. 90% opportunities nowadays in the market, current market, Power BI plus SQL. Simply Power BI plus database. 90%. And Power BI support resource. Rare 1% of opportunities, but still my course is sufficient. Admin opportunities. Yes, 1%, but my course is sufficient. Combinations, different people are going, and 100% my course is sufficient. And these opportunities are market level. Nowadays, 10%, maximum 10% combination. 90% Power BI plus SQL. And you want to try in this roles, 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end practice, end-to-end working is required. Without that, you cannot acquire that much knowledge. 1-2 projects లో end-to-end మీరు పనిచేస్తే కానీ ఆ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది మీకు రాదు. Got clarity? So these are the opportunities available in the market. Now, next one. I will provide you this, I will show you this, how we are providing materials in the. So guys, for every batch, take 7 a.m. batch, 25th September started. We create a folder, every batch. So as right now, I'm taking multiple batches. And if you want to see your previous batch, 9 o'clock is a fresh batch. Just to complete a 9 o'clock batch you want to see, I'm clicking 9 o'clock batch. Yesterday, day before yesterday completed, number 4, 14th. Day before yesterday. So 61 classes I conducted for them. Day-wise video content. So Power BI report builder pagination concept, Power Apps and report embedding concept, resume preparation, interview guidance concept, and complex task concept, Power Automate concept, project explanation classes, and case studies. See guys, after beginning of their course, first demo, second demo, mostly 9th class and 8th class onwards, we worked on case studies because compulsory. So this is a way we will progress. Systematically video material, you'll find it. And even in the same folder, all materials also available, all material folder. And this is a lab backup. And what are the topics to be read? Clearly mentioned here. This is a way content we provide for students. Only one folder, everything you'll find it. 1.5 year access on your batch. Automatically, it is deleted after 1.5 year. Now, works group for every group. For example, 7 a.m. online, September. Today morning only we placed. If you look at this, daily after completing the class, they will get a message like this. Video plays for so and so, this is a topic covered. I said very systematic like this. So 11:52. So 7 o'clock class, 8 o'clock completed. Around 12 o'clock, we uploaded the video and place a message. We'll inform everyone every day. So anything the important we'll share through WhatsApp as well. Software installation links. See, last weekend no classes. So proper intimation. We'll meet on Monday. Happy weekend. Because a huge work I given this week. And there are 3 companies this month approached us. Startup companies only. And the requirement also I placed. SQL developer. This is Power BI SQL developer only. Senior SQL developer, junior. Location, interview for our institute. So we inform them. Like this. So today, we are done with Power Query and data modeling started today. Intimation. A very proper way. Even a couple of students get in touch with us. For them, we'll share opportunities. We provide proper support to all students. This guy, see this? Completely. This gives some motivation, guys. Sir, నేను పవర్ బిఐ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను వర్క్ లో. నేను మీ దగ్గర నిన్న చేశాను మెసేజ్ ఎస్టర్డే. జస్ట్ సీ ద వే ది రెస్పాండ్. బట్ ఇప్పుడు మెటీరియల్ మీ దగ్గర ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకున్నాను లాస్ట్ ఇయర్. బట్ ఇప్పుడు మెటీరియల్ రెఫర్ చేస్తా ఉంటే గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ లో లింక్స్ ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు. చాలా రోజులు ఎంత నేర్చుకోండి. కానీ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ద మెటీరియల్ సార్. జాబ్ లో చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. నేను ఆల్రెడీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను. కొన్ని విజువలైజేషన్ బెస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అడిగారు. I provided. Thank you so much, sir. This is welfare for me. He stays in US. And today morning again he come up with some different requirement. For everyone, we'll provide support, proper support. And even organizations also recently. So this guy, when I informed him, they asked us to come for the candidates, but they given very complex test. I informed him. Hello Siddharth, good evening. It's a very tough exam for the people between 1 to 2 years. I recommend the HR. And this is Esther. Organization, one more company. Okay, Swami, I will look into. I have scheduled interview tomorrow for both of the candidates. Thank you. You received all the CVs. One more. Recently, it was a great response from your students. Hope to see few more. So this is just to let you know that we are getting opportunities from the companies. Even one more. That's sufficient. When students also, they give very positive comments. But he lost the job actually recently. So he attended interviews from our institute itself. Got job. Thanks, sir. You will interview in the classroom use చేసుకోవచ్చా. So we are very friendly for the people. Sir, emphasis లో జాబ్ వచ్చేసింది. So I mean subject for students. I never forget your institute, sir. It gave me a proper roadmap to settle in my career. Recently, 3rd level. And people join multiple courses in our institute. He completed Power BI and he joined Power Apps in our institute. These are Power Apps. Or Automate also consider, sir. Please take it. Super, sir. So from outside, what are the best we can do, we'll do it for you. It's in your hand how you want to utilize. So this is about our introduction, details. Now I will go to subject. So people who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number so that you will receive today's demo video and demo document. In case you want to talk to me about your personal profile, these are the timings. Kindly call me on these timings. Any questions you want to ask, anyone? No.
Hello,
Thank you.
good morning, sir. This is
Good morning.
Deepa.
Yes, Deepa.
Sir, I just regarding the certification, right? You said you will be covering 70 to 80% of the topic.
Correct.
So the remaining 20%, is it like we have to? I mean, what will be that remaining 20% which we have to focus on our own self?
Little more administration part. I will tell you. Don't worry. What you are supposed to focus.
Actually, I'm mainly aiming for the certification. I mean, I'm fresher only for this. But
Yeah, that's true, Deepa. We will discuss personally. You can call me on this.
Sure. Thank you.
I'm just having 1 hour time, so I need to cover my planned content. Right, sir. Thank you. If anyone having any questions regarding classes, call me on this. Right. Now I will go with this important part. Working and non-working people, everyone, this is important. And sir, working people like a revision, non-working people like a fresh part and basic part. This I'm not going to explain again in the classes. First one, what is data? And once we complete data, we'll go to IT application types. And then BA applications. Later, Power BI, Power Platform, finally Fabric. This hierarchy you are supposed to know. And you're learning Power BI, which is a Fabric component. That's the reason you are supposed to know all this. Power BI now part of Fabric. Power BI now part of Fabric. Then what is Fabric? So you should have patience till end of the session to understand. Without that, if you lose your focus, you cannot get the subject. Keep your concentration here. Nothing gets started. ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఏం స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు చూడండి ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ డీటెయిల్స్ చెప్పాను వరకు వాట్ ఈస్ డేటా సో we are working on data only. Any IT student, they will work data only. Then how many types of data available in the market? So we are, even non-IT people, even illiterates, they're working on 3 types of data. One is structured data. So anything you're able to store is called data. One is structured data. So table, Excel, in these applications, data column by column available. So we call them as structured applications. ID, name, age, degree, column by column available. So we call them as structured data applications. Excel applications and tables. Second one, not fully structured like this. Data like this. University, student ID, and one. Name, John. So this is called metadata. University is metadata, and this is called data. Like this, structure and data, metadata data available, those are semi-structured sources. JSON is one file, XML is one file, and there are a couple of more available. They all come under semi-structured data storages. And coming to your WhatsApp, you never follow any order. Your emails, your Word document, PDF document, we never follow any order, anything. Anyway, we will type it, anything we'll add it. So these are called unstructured applications, unstructured storages. So there are 3 types of data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. And the classroom also, I will show you all the 3. You will get practice on JSON, you will get practice on Excel, you will get practice on XML, you will get practice on some unstructured sources. The classroom also. Important. And Power BI has, remember the point, Power BI has this support to work on, not other applications. Tableau level, The next competitor or contemporary tool to Power BI, Tableau. Tableau level, you don't find these features. Working on multiple types of data. It will support some sources, but not all like Power BI. Power BI support more than 300 sources in the market. More than 300. Now, storages. Where do we keep? Data, okay, 3 types. But where do we keep? Some people keeping in files this data. Structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Some people in files, some people in databases. These are called formats. What do we call it? 2 types of format, file format and database format. Now, what about data? Data again, file data, database data, either on-premises or cloud level. So what is on-premises? Within our organization storage, within our device storage, within our system storage. And cloud means somebody else storage. Daily we are working on it. Daily we are working on clouds. Example, take your mobile phone. Images, videos, contacts. Where do we place? First, mobile level. Later, we take backup and we will sync to cloud. So either Google Drive or OneDrive or Apple Store, Samsung Store, those will be stored. Those are clouds. Are you working on cloud regularly?
Yes.
Yesterday, almost all people used mobile phones to watch live, cricket live. From where you're getting it? Is it from your storage? It is also cloud storage, but streaming storage. Which storage? Cloud streaming storage. And this is cloud data storage. These are cloud data storage and the cricket match and all, whatever you viewed it, streaming storage. Take Amazon Prime, Netflix, AHA, Hotstar. These are all streaming clouds. So now got the clarity? So data may be available in the on-premises or clouds. 3 types, 2 formats, 2 storages. Power BI support all. Next, IT applications. There are many types available. Not 1 or 2 types. Important are one is business running IT applications. Second one, business analysis IT applications. Don't go for IT application just to keep the data. To keep a running data, business running data we go. And second thing, analysis is important. On top of it, other types. Business running. Example, you are running a small departmental store in your hometown. Daily transactions you want to maintain. For IT application required. Definitely, first you ask people to create a website or web page, and you will need a machine where you enter your details to get the bill and all. Those are business running applications. You're sending money through PhonePe, GPay. Business running operation. Online bank account transfer. Business running application. IRCTC ticket booking. Business running application. Book my show ticket booking. Business running application. Make my ticket booking. Business running application. And at the end of these applications, you will get a message. Simple, cute message. Transaction successful. A transaction failed. That's the reason these applications are called transactional applications. What do we call them? And technically OLTP, online transaction processing. Here online means immediate, not internet based. Immediate transaction processing applications. One best example, IRCTC or your PhonePe transfer, GPay transfer. You'll get a message transaction. Transaction ID. Okay, you have an IRCTC OLTP application. How the data will be stored from IRCTC and who will use it? So perfect. General public uses IRCTC application. When they book the tickets, it will open a form. Please fill the form so that ticket booking will happen. online forms. And how many ways we will book the tickets? Via web, irctc.co.in. Desktop, we'll go to ticket counters and do it. Mobile, in mobile level also you can. IRCTC app. So 3 ways general public book the tickets by filling the forms. And the data is transaction success or fail only. So-and-so transaction success, so-and-so transaction fail. So the storage is called transactional storage. Transactional data storage. Here you will find only the message like this. So-and-so customer transaction fail. So-and-so customer transaction success, and that this is his PNR number. Just column by column like this: PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, ending date, train number, etc. available. So these are the features of a business running application. General public, forms, multiple platforms, these are the platforms. But do you think management team will use this? Management team will use this data for analysis? There are crores of transactions. How come management team will use it? There are crores of transactions. How come management team use it? Not possible. They will simply ask you, hey, Razu, tell me today's Tatkal, how many trains having full booking, how many trains not having any booking? Which region having highest demand and which region not having highest demand? And if you see this since yesterday, flights, trains, buses given more offers to Sabarimala pilgrims. Sabarimala pilgrims, because season. Even IRCTC, Vande Bharat up to some level for Sabarimala pilgrims. So based on the demand only, demanded area only, management team take decisions. But how come they will come to know? From this normal data, they need to convert this kind of data. And this data is called decision-making data. Many people asking me, sir, what is decision-making? This is decision-making. And some people also call it as analytical data. Since it is intelligent data of the business, some people also call it as BA data, business intelligence data. Analytical data, decision-making data, BA data remains same. But how do we convert this data into this? We need a process called BA process, business intelligence process. It is a layered process. We cannot convert directly this into this. But we need to move multiple layers. Finally, the data ready. Layered process. Here only we use BA tools. Finally, it will generate a report or dashboard. And what is report? Report always contain individual operation data. Report always contain very detailed data. Example, savings account, bank account, withdraw report, withdraw transactions report. But coming to dashboard, not like that. High-level operations data. Simply set of reports data. Example, savings account dashboard with deposits, savings, etc. information. Got the difference between report and dashboard? Multiple reports data, if you take in a single place, it is called a dashboard. And regularly we are using the word dashboard. If you go to a sales executive, he will tell you, yes, my insurance premium, my insurance policy running like this, look at the dashboard. Even if you go in a car dashboard. It's a quite common word, dashboard nowadays. So high level presentation, if you have somewhere, that is a dashboard. Low level presentation somewhere you have, that is a report. And management team uses reports and dashboards. So general public use forms to fill. Management team uses reports to analyze it. Through forms analysis, not possible. Got clarity? Right. Again, some people through web, they are viewing the reports. Some people through desktop, they are viewing the reports. Some people in the mobile. Mobile apps also available to see the analytical reports. And you guys, after finishing the course, joining in the project, you will work on this part, only this part. I will highlight green color, only green color part. Your responsibility, taking this data or any data, implementing BI process, using BI tools, generating a report and dashboard. Over. Any questions from this? Anyone? Online, offline people, both. Offline people, any questions? Thank you. What is BI? Business intelligence. Intelligence data of the business. A decision-making data of the business. Or analytical data of the business. What is the input? Data. Output, report or dashboard. So report, detailed data presentation component like this. Dashboard, high level data presentation component like this, high level. Over? No. So BA input output, you know. But in between we do a process called BA process that I'm explaining. Look at this. Very, very important before you start Power BI. Not only Power BI, any BA. I'm not telling you about Power BI. It's a history I'm explaining. The evolution I'm explaining. Focus on this. And this is day-to-day process, business process, and whatever we have is called data. This is analytical process. Whatever we have here is called BA data. Which data? In between whatever we have, that is called BA process. So BA will take data as input, output as report or dashboard. In between is BA process. Any company, any BA project, process remains same. No change in the process. However, a human body follows a process to digest the food the same way. Common, wherever you go, what is the process? If you're new to IT and first time you listen to it, you may feel like panic, but only one diagram, one process. Regularly we discuss, you feel more after 2 days. First time మీకు కొత్తగా ఉంటుంది పదాలు ఏంటో అని, బట్ రేపటి నుంచి రెగ్యులర్గా మనకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. మొబైల్ కొన్నాం కొత్తగా ఉండేటప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంటుంది, కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్ ఉండదు. ఒక 2-3 days చేశాక ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. ఈ పదాలు కూడా అంతే. ద వెరీ బిగినింగ్ అన్ని అర్థమైపోతుంది, కోర్స్ అవసరం లేదు. First day, if you're able to understand everything, then third day you can join in the company. మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా యూజ్ చేసే ఒక ఈమెయిల్, ఒక కొత్త ఈమెయిల్ వస్తేనే ఎలా చేయాలో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. కొత్త మొబైల్ని తీసుకుంటే ఎలా ఆపరేట్ చేయాలి కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. ల్యాప్టాపే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం మనం. ఎంత ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ మళ్ళీ మనం కొత్త ల్యాప్టాప్ తీసుకుంటే ఎలా వాడాలో కూడా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాం. మరి ఒక కొత్త టూల్ ఎలా నేర్చేసుకుంటాను ఒక రోజులోనే. కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్, కొంచెం అందుకే వీడియోస్ అన్ని ఇస్తాం. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. First one, ETL. This is the first process in the BI level. So this daily data, here we have daily data. Using this process, extract it, get the daily data, transform it. If the data not in proper shape, make it proper shape, load it properly into a huge storage area. Second area, daily data you're keeping. If 10 days data definitely looks bigger, warehouse. 20 days data looks bigger, warehouse. Warehouse is a godown. The data godown. So bring daily data and place in a data godown. Second layer. Third layer, after godown, take the after constructing the godown, take the required data. We don't use complete data for analysis. I need last 1 week data only in the report. Last 1 month data only in the report. For Hyderabad sales report, I require. So required data you take and create required aggregate analytical operations. Like Hyderabad locations total, Hyderabad location average, Hyderabad location maximum value, Hyderabad location cumulative total. That is a particular data aggregate analytics. And we usually go for cubes area. Some people call it as semantic area, a meaningful area. Technical word semantic. So from the huge storage, a meaningful storage area create. Small storage. This is very huge. Terabytes to petabytes of data available. But in this area, you never see terabytes, GBs of data you will see. How much? GBs. Gigabytes of data you will see. Finally, you go for reporting component, data presentation component to present in the form of reports and dashboards. So business intelligence process you want to apply. First area ETL, second area warehouse, third area semantic, fourth area presentation. 4 areas are compulsory required. For clarity? Online people who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number so that today's demo video and the documents which I'm explaining, all you will receive. Now evolution. So early BA. BA started 90s. If any company want to implement the BA process, compulsory multiple tools required, multiple setups required, multiple resources required. Very costly and complex process. Very costly, but still top companies use it. This process, top companies. One tool, one resource, one setup. One tool, one resource setup. One tool, resource setup. One tool, resource setup. And these are not tools, databases and setup. So medium companies and couple of top companies not happy with this. They are looking for a solution where everything possible in a single area. So Microsoft took the challenge and given MSBA. Microsoft BA 2005. Proudly they launched Microsoft's BA because this will take data, gives BA data. This suite. How come, sir? The Microsoft BA suite having 3 tools, major tools. SSIS is the first tool, integration services. AS is the second tool, analysis services. RS is one more tool, reporting services. So 3 tools majorly. There are minorly 2 more available, but majorly 3 tools will do end-to-end operation. So the first one, SSIS, in this area we use it. Second one, AS, in this area we use it. Second tool, third tool. So MSBA level, how it is providing benefit to market? One suite MSBA software will give 3 tools to perform operations. Now, quick question you can ask me, sir, is there any market improvement for MSBA or Microsoft because of this reason? Yes. Yes. That I will show you practically. MSBA announced in 2005. From there, every 2 to 3 years, there's a new version. 8 release 2, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22. So Microsoft first BA is MSBA. The versions are this. That is relevant to us 100%. Because if you go to interview, even when I'm taking interviews, my question first on that. Already Microsoft having MSBA, then why Power BI for Microsoft? If Apple wants to add some new features to the existing mobile, they'll give 17 Pro, 18 Pro, something. They'll not give a new mobile, right? But why Microsoft gives a separate BA tool when MSBA available in the market? There should be some reason. In case your house is not sufficient for 2 or 3 people, you may take one more floor for your house, but you will not construct a new house. Definitely there could be some reason where you will construct a new house. Antenna? Ain't a reason. Very important. So combination also opportunities available. And it is your minimal responsibility to know Power BI. Sorry, responsibility to know why Power BI when MSB available. Right.
Hello,
so
sir.
MS, yes, please.
అవును. నాన్ ఐటీ సైడ్ నుండి వస్తున్నా.
ఈ వాయిస్
Hello.
బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా సార్? సార్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు మీరు పవర్ బై కోర్సు అంటే డ్యూరేషన్ ఎంత సార్? అంటే ఎన్ని డేస్ తీసుకుంటది?
అవన్నీ మీరు ఎప్పుడు క్లాస్ లో ఎప్పుడు కనెక్ట్ అయ్యారు?
ఇప్పుడే కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను సార్.
అది వెయిట్ చేయి కాసేపు, లాస్ట్ లో మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా? బిగినింగ్ లో చెప్పాను,
ఓకే
లాస్ట్ లో చెప్తాను, వీడియో కూడా ఇస్తాను, వినండి.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
అవన్నీ చెప్తాను. రైట్. సో MSBA from 2008 it is a market leader. Remember the point. Leader guys. For the last 16 years, no competitor to Microsoft in analytics and BA. It is superstar. Sir, how come we believe? I will show you. See, Microsoft named a leader in the 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BA platforms. That is okay. This 2023 is saying, but down point is important. We are thrilled to announce that the 16th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in 2023 Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and BA platforms. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is a leader. They did not mention MSB or Power BI. MSBA brought the leadership, Power BI continuing it. See, this is Microsoft on top. Remaining tools, Tableau and all. So if you people expecting a very good career in the business intelligence, no doubt Microsoft will give you. After that, Tableau can give you. After that, ClickView can give you. Wonderful career, wonderful packages, because these are the leaders, no other competitors. Okay? These three will give you. But Microsoft is the ultimate leader. Next, even market. Geometrics. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. Maybe a little old link actually is open. With a 36% of market share, Power BI is the most popular data analytics platform among businesses. Maybe 21 market this is, 2021. But now the market increased. Market share of top business intelligence softwares in 21. In 21, Power BI market is 36. 22, Power BI market is 42% actually, 6% increased. That means 100 BA projects if you have in the market, 42 projects in Power BI. Now you think about Power BI market, Power BI opportunities, lifetime. Your friends may say, hey, no calls to Power BI. He's a leader. If he leader does not have calls, then what about others? So the reason last week and this week we got 3 company opportunities. They're startups. Startups can use easily Power BI. The market increase in such a way. So don't think more on Power BI. If you're really interested to enter into IT, business intelligence tool, no doubt Power BI will give you good future. Confidently, blindly join Power BI and SQL. The takeoff is sufficient. Power BI, SQL మీరు కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఆ రెండు టేక్ ఆఫ్ మీకు ప్రాపర్ గా ఉంటుంది, ఇంకేం నేర్చుకోకర్లేదు. ఒకవేళ ఫినాన్షియల్ గా మీరు ఓకే అనుకుంటే ఏమైనా నేర్చుకుంటే అది కూడా చెప్తాను నేను, అది కూడా చూడండి. లీడర్ గా మార్కెట్ లేదంటే ఇంకెవరికి ఉంటుంది? ఎవరికి అడగొద్దు, స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ తెలిసిపోతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్. Again question, sir, if Microsoft brought the leadership, why Power BI? Hardly 10 minutes, I will close the session. Focus. We're entering into the main part. MSBI, one side lucky product, one other side drawback product. Why, sir, you're saying lucky and drawback? 2005 MSBI released. But before 2004, whatever the market available, Microsoft observed complete market. Accordingly, suitable engine they prepared. Accordingly, suitable concepts they prepared and released. But unlucky part is, in 2004, Facebook announced. Google is very popular and Google Cloud is available. And many clouds available from 2006. Apps available, mobile app, tab apps, etc. available from 2010. From 2010, more and more available. And nowadays, everyone using cloud, everyone using apps, social media. That support MSBI level not available. That was a major drawback. So MSBI mostly for on-premises. Within your company, you need to maintain the server. Within the servers, you need to place the data, reports. Cloud not there. It is a self-service suite to perform end-to-end operations. Multiple tools again required. Though you are purchasing MSBI software, IS tools separately need to be installed. AS tools separately need to be installed. RS also. Next, no mobile friendly. And before 2004, the market sources are very less, so limited sources support. And you want to place a report, MSBI report in website level, blog level, Facebook level, Twitter level, not possible. The embedding is very tough. You must write average coding, no doubt, with MSBI. And the visuals also not great visuals. And every 2 to 3 years, Microsoft giving new version. Market is changing drastically, but 2 to 3 years, Microsoft taking time to give a new version. So people, companies question, you are the leader, but you are far beyond current market features, cutting edge process. Why don't you invent a new one? And why don't you add features to this? So Microsoft decided they want to add more features to existing BA. So the more features to existing BA or adding features to existing BA is Power BI. So powering the existing BA or power added to the existing BA, that is Power BI. So what type of power added? Cloud added. Mobile tap friendly operation supported. All types of sources supported. Easily you can place Power BI reports in Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. And coding is not required. Nowadays people expecting low code. Low code, it is a low code. And they need wonderful visuals. And when MSBI was designed, 4K TV is quite challenging. But now 8K TV is also available. QLED and Neo LED. Different types of TVs available nowadays. Market changed. So more clarity visuals required, more visuals required, stunning look visuals required. So Power BI level we have all. And not only that, Power BI decided, no, we need to take continuous market changes into our product. Then only we will be the leader in the market. That's why monthly updates we have in the Power BI. Not like MSBI 2-3 years, one version, monthly updates. So Power BI announced in July 2013. From here, every month we have an update till this month. So cloud added, web mobile friendly added, monthly update to capture the changes added. These are all added, fine. On top of all, one more beautiful thing added called self-service BI application. What is that? Listen to it. This is important. This is a process, business intelligence process. Old process required 3 tools, 3 setups, 3 resources. And with MSBA, 1 suite and multiple tools. And Power BI level, 1 application sufficient, not multiple. 1 application and multiple concepts. This is concept 1, Power Query to perform operations here. Concept 2, Power Pivot to do the operations here and here. Power View and Map, concept 3. So burden reduced. We don't require multiple tools, multiple setups. 1 application with multiple concepts to do end-to-end. That's why this is called self-service BI application. What do we call it? And this MSBA is called self-service BI suite. Suite with tools, application with concepts. Understood the hierarchy, history, why people love Power BI? Application, multiple concepts to generate reports and dashboards. Whereas MSBA level, not possible. Once SSIS process, AS will make it meaningful. Finally, RS will present. This tool will do it. But Power BI level, not like that. Don't worry, tomorrow, by using these concepts, we generate a report, practical report. Right. So with the given spirit of Power BI, yes, almost all people like Power BI. With the given spirit of Power BI, Microsoft decided, why don't we release 1 more low-code platform? That is Power Platform. So Power Platform having 5 low-code components. First one, Power BI. So Power BI joined with Power Platform. అర్థమవుతుందా? పవర్ బి ఇచ్చిన స్పిరిట్ తోని మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ డిసైడ్ అయ్యారు ఇంకొన్ని లో కోడ్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఇద్దామని. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ పవర్ బిఐ. పవర్ బిఐ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ లో కోడ్ పవర్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఫ్రమ్ 2019. సో 2013 పవర్ బిఐ అనౌన్స్డ్ 13 July. Remember, and 19 it joined with Power Platform. So as part of Power Platform, Power BI for low code to generate reports and dashboards. Power Apps, no need to write much code, but mobile and tab friendly apps you can generate. Power Apps, no need to write much code, but robotic process automation you can implement. You need not write much code, but intelligent chatbots you can create. So when you open a website, when you open a blog, you will find chatbots. Those you can create. And Power Pages, you started a company, you want a website. Usually we need to recruit web developers. No need. If you learn this tool, you can develop your websites easily without writing much code. You can create your website. You can create your blogs. You can create your web pages easily by using this. So these are the 5 low-code components part of Power Platform. And Microsoft assumed like Power BI and this combination is very hot in the market. These 2 combinations good in the market, apps and automate, but these 3 not good. So for this year, Microsoft, they turn around and release a new component and feature called Microsoft Fabric. They noticed how companies are using Power BI combinations. And finally, they given an artificial intelligence solution, an AI solution with data integration, ADF, Azure Data Factory, data storage analytics, Synapse, Azure Synapse, and reporting, Power BI. And one more, to monitor all data activator. So the current Microsoft releases Fabric 2023 July, exactly 10 years, with artificial intelligence features adding data integration ADF, data storage Synapse, reporting Power BI. Simply, a Fabric is a combination of 3 major tools. Any company require nowadays data integration 1 component, storage 1 component, reporting 1 component. Those 3 Microsoft made it, again did it. Like MSBA level, SSIS for integration, AS for storage, RS for reporting. The same way here, ADF for integration, Synapse for storage and reporting Power BI. So if you people want to establish a good career and you are financially okay, more experience you want to keep in the resume 5, 6 like this, then learn along with Power BI either ADF or Synapse. Your resume is very stronger. Next 5, 10 years, no need to see back. Next 5 సంవత్సరాలు చూడక్కర్లేదు. మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ బాగా స్టడీ చేసి అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి ఇచ్చారు ఈ కాంబినేషన్. Even moving forward, you will find opportunities in the market. Fabric developers required. Candidates should have 2 years experience minimum on Fabric. That means either of the components or all the components. This is Fabric. What is Fabric? Everyone clear? Right. So whatever I planned, successfully done. Data, 3 types available, 2 formats and 2 storages. IT applications, many types available, but importantly, OLTP, OLAP. And BA applications, legacy, old available, middle age available like MSB, modern available like Power BI. Power BI is modern. And Power BI. Why Power BI when MSB available? I explained. Power Platform. Why Microsoft given Power Platform? The intention also I told you. Low code platform. No, but why Fabric? People not preferring this. They prefer data integration, data loading, data presentation components of Fabric. This is the hierarchy. And now Power BI part of Fabric. So when you work on Power BI or when you work on Fabric, Power BI, it will show multiple places the features, Fabric features. And coming to tomorrow I will show you how do we generate a report by doing end-to-end operations. This is tomorrow's agenda. Second demo tomorrow. First 10 minutes recap of today, and then practical part for 50 minutes. And after that, you need to practice and see the user friendliness in Power BI, then continue from day after tomorrow. Tomorrow's example, you should practice. I'll tell you spoon feeding way all the things. And the people who just joined and concluding, the course is for 2 months. As I told you, give me a minute. The course is for 50 to 60 hours, 2 months, daily 1 hour class, and you will receive live class videos and access given up to 1.5 years to near real-time projects and multiple case studies also provided. Theory, practical material, whatever required for you, I'll provide you. Any graduate can learn, and full graphical component with low code. My sessions from basics to advanced. Next. These are the environment components I'm covering in the next 2 months. And these are project component, subject components. Don't worry, slowly you'll understand all these things. In case already you have gone through multiple course studies, then you can make it differentiate. Otherwise, it will be fresh. You feel fresh. We'll go fresh only. So materials, videos, everything we provide, only one thing, you need to learn properly. Even we'll arrange interviews also after your preparation. On and off companies approaches, we'll inform you for that. And beyond this, you want to talk to me. This is my contact number. I'm providing here. For personal details, call me on this. In the timings. Or any generic related to demo class, you can take your mic and ask your questions. And final one, my objective, very detailed subject to work on any kind of project in the real time. Entry-oriented subject.
Hello, can you hear
If
me?
you are preparing for certification, guidance is provided. I'm done with this.